Sandbaggy 6-inch long by 2-inch wide landscape staples are uniquely designed to be 1 inch wider at the crown compared with standard landscape staples. They're great for many applications, including installing all kinds of landscape fabrics, erosion control matting, bird netting, artificial turf, and drip irrigation. These staples can secure PVC pipes and drip tubing up to 2 inches in diameter. We recommend separating each staple 2 to 4 feet and using a rubber mallet for easy installation. They are made of tough, low-carbon 9-gauge steel and are 20% thicker than our competitors' staples, which helps drive through hard and rocky soil. The sharp chisel points help drive the staple into the ground with minimal effort. Save time and effort with Sandbaggy staples. We carry a full line of staples from 6 to 12 inches long for soft and hard soils and keep millions of units in stock at all times. That's why we're the #1 best-selling brand of landscape staples on the internet. Sandbaggy is an American company based in California that is trusted by government agencies, farmers, landscapers, and homeowners across this great country.